Hey guys and girls, it's Mark and I'm Truth Seeker and I'm in Soul 792 and we're going to take a look at something. So let's dive right in. Okay, this is an infrared view and the area we're going to be really paying attention to is this area here. And there's an object over here. Now there's objects, there's anomalies all over this photo, all over. So as always, I'll give you the link and then you guys can play around with it, but I mean there's just amazing anomalies. I mean, look at this. I mean, I believe that they added this to it, but this looks like some type of pitcher or urn, or half of it just got encrusted in rock, or who only knows. But this is the area we're going to. Okay, this is really with no editing, really. I just enlarged the picture. I mean, look at this statue, okay? This here, these are the areas, and this stuff, okay? As you can see, I mean, look at this. This actually, to me, this is a fish. You can see it comes back. Here's the fins in the back of it. There's the fish mouth. Then there's a statue of a head right here next to it. And we got this little statue here. You can see it's on a base. I'm going to show you something in a second where I really make it pop for you. And back here, it almost looks like there's a little alien. I mean, I believe this stuff is, normal size, so I would have to believe that this is a statue. But it looks like it's got that alien head, the eyes. I mean, who knows? Even here you can see that there's all types of stuff that they blurred out. Okay, we're gonna go take a look in Photoshop, and I desaturated these areas with the brush. Okay, now here we are. There's that little statue. Now you see how this stuff pops. See what I mean about that looking like a fish on some type of base? Look at this stuff. I mean, just, it's amazing. This is why they have to blur these pictures out. And when you come in with the desaturate brush or pencil, this stuff is not going to pop. I just can't take it on an area like this and draw and make this. It's just not going to pop. You're not going to see it. It's like this object here. You see how this statue comes up? Or like this, it looks like an S. See? What you do is, I'll show you. And I'm no expert with this at, Adobe Photoshop, so my skills are really primitive. I mean, it takes a while. You can see there's an object here. What NASA does is they're taking this and making everything one color, so it just basically, but you could see there's a shadow here. So that's, you gotta really tune yourself in for this and start looking for these little shadows. Like you can see how this statue comes out. And you just, you start, it just clicks, once your eyes are in tune for this, you're really, I'm just always looking for shadows. It's like this piece here, see how they make it all one color, but you can see it comes out, it's got a piece that comes up, there's a little shadow underneath it. you could restore this stuff all day. I mean, this is what they do. There's something here. See it? But when they put this blur in and they make it all one color, it just basically disappears. I mean, you can't tell me that nature is making this. You know, if this one piece here, which I take maybe like a mask or something, like a tribal mask, you know, if this one piece here was just that and none of this other stuff anywhere in the picture, hey, I'd be like, all right, you know what, maybe, hey, it's just, you know, nature, you know, being crazy. But you know, when you find all of this stuff together in one little area, it's you know, it's just compelling. See what I was telling you, like, if I wanted to say, like, make this face here, look, you know, I could desaturate this, but there's nothing there. Like, I'll put a line, you know, you can't make a face. Like, you see this? I can't make that face. This stuff has to be here. All of it. You know, every inch of it has to be here to make it come out. And to me, this just looks like a fish. You can see the mouth, you see the face mask next to it, and there's stuff everywhere in this picture. I mean, this could be maybe a wire sculpture. I mean, what are the chances of this thing being there like that? I mean, it's up, NASA. The gig is up. It's time to come out and tell the truth. Truth seekers out.